In this video, we are going to cover how to change a device name within the Cloud Retailer point of sale software. Most common scenario is something like maybe your receipt printer stopped working and you had to get a new one, and now it has a new device name within your computer. So first thing you obviously need to know is what the device name is, which you can do via Windows. And then we need to make the change in Cloud Retailer. So we do that by going to Admin, Device Register List, click on Device Register List, and then go to the point of sale station you want to make the change to. We can check the box to the left and go to Edit Selected Registers, or we can just click on the name. Want to scroll down, and let's just say that our old Epson 1 is gone and has been replaced by Epson 2. And then when you're done, you can click Save. And of course, you'll need to resync, close out, and restart the point of sale computer for these changes to take effect. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching.